Here is another replica hot air engine. This is the 4-inch Hayward and Tyler. The Hayward and Tyler was an engine that was a rider engine that was built under license in England. And there's a few of them around. But I've just restored recently restored a 8-inch rider. It was just too big and too heavy to move around, so I decided that maybe a smaller one would be a little bit easier. This little fella's 4-inch bore, stands about 4 foot 8 inches tall. It's a nice smooth running engine. Pumps about 750 litres an hour at 120 RPM. It's only been to one show so far, but hopefully we'll get it to many more. Once again, the water tank, the base is the water tank, and the barrel is hooked up to that, pumps up through the pump, through the water jacket and back into the barrel. The engine is completely fabricated out of steel and stainless steel, and it's a very sweet running engine, as you can see, very quiet. Took approximately 3.5 to 4 months to build it, and about 4.5 months ago, it was a heap of rusty plate steel and rusty steel tubes from the scrapyard. You can see more on the making of this engine on one of my other videos. This engine is also fitted with the vacuum pressure gauge. You can see. Runs very happily. I had to put a tap on the outlet to restrict the flow of water because she was just winding up to about 160, 180 RPM, which was just too fast. It ran very nicely at that, but no point in running it, flat out all the time. No reason for it. It was built by me. And another very satisfying project. The firebox on the Hayward and Tyler also opens up so you can get to your hot cap, which makes it a lot easier for servicing and so forth. Quite a reasonable little engine. Weighs about 350 kilos.